People have got the chance to try out things they had long forgotten or not tried before. For example, we learned saving money, and also we learned trusting in God, and we learned love for self and how to spend some quality time with our family. And also we got a great chance to brushing up on skills, and we learned some hard truths of society also. And the most important part we learned from this lockdown is that this epidemic gave us a chance to learn from our mistakes that we did to nature and Mother Earth. And after the lockdown, we can do a new beginning towards a better life. It's harsh truth, but world's biggest virus is human itself. And also, we learned how birds and animals feel at their cage after being quarantined at home. We learned that we can work from home. We learned that we can survive without junk food. And we learned 24 hours are sufficient to live the life to the fullest. And at last, no matter how much world will be developed, but we can't overpower nature.